Hey guys, welcome to our first unboxing video, and for today we're going to unbox the Chinkitan Monikit 2.0. So let's start. So the Monikit package will look something like this. So sa bottom we have the Mr. Chinkitan books, the actual Monikit sa gitna, and then meron din tayong My Ipon kit and yung books na related sa My Ipon kit, which are Diary of a Pulubi, then My Budget Diary, yung Ipon book, My Ipon Diary is included dun sa Ipon kit, plus yung Carry Mo Yan book na nasa pinakataas. So start na po natin i-unwrap ito, and then one by one i-check natin yung items. Okay, so ito na po yung unwrap version. So tanggalin muna natin yung mga nasa taas. We have the first book, Carry Mo Yan. Then the next one, meron po tayong Diary of a Pulubi. So the third, we have My Budget Diary. And then yung Ipon kit, ilagay po muna natin dito sa gilid. And then yep, this one is the ultimate money kit, do it yourself money kit ni Mr. Chinkitan. Lagay natin siya dito sa side. Then we have the Rich God Poor God. We have the Always Chink Positive. Then we have the Secrets of the Rich and Successful. Then we have Raising Up Money Wise Kids, so para sa mga parents, and for richer and for poorer. Tapos meron din tayong How I Made My First Million Through Direct Selling and How You Can Too. Tapos yung last is Happy Wife, Happy Life. So currently meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So yun po yung mga books na kasama, pero I believe meron pang mga books dito sa dalawa. So buksan na natin first yung ating Ipon kit. So final na lang yung ating money kit. Alright, so buksan na po natin siya sa ngayon. So una po natin bubuksan yung ating My Ipon kit. As described dito sa package niya, it contains the Ipon can and yung ating Ipon Diary, which is another book. So pang 11 po na book ito. Tapos kung mapapansin, kung dito natin siya bubuksan, sisirain natin yung sticker. So buksan natin siya sa likod. Okay, kuha lang po tayo ng cutter at buksan natin siya. After cutting it off, ito na po yung laman ni Ipon kit. So meron tayong Ipon can. Ito po yung laman niya. And the target for this one is, I think, 60k Ipon challenge. So tabi muna po natin siya dito. Then yung book na My Ipon Diary, ayan. So isama po natin siya dito na pang 11 book. Alright, so tapos na po tayo dito sa ating Ipon kit. Tabi muna natin siya. And proceed po tayo sa main box or main kit na ating in order, which is the money kit. So mapapansin, ito yung pinaka main purpose ng money kit natin. It's to save the budget to invest and to stay debt free. So buksan ko lang po saglit, then isa-isahin natin yung na-unwrap na po siya. So ito na po yung laman ng ating do it yourself money kit. So buksan na natin siya sa ngayon. Okay, sa loob niya, ayun, so meron tayong free ball pen, Chink Positive ball pen, and then yung ating book na sinasabi na this is the 12th book, which is the Chinkitan Still Debt Do Us Part. So ito na po yung pang 12. So 12 na po sila. So next we have the budgetarian envelope system. So sa budgeting, dito natin ilalagay yung mga if you are familiar with the envelope system, each of this container will be the one to contain your, for example, savings, your utilities, house bills, electricity. So ganyan po siya gamitin, the envelope system. Although meron naman po tayo dito, I think dito, meron po tayo ditong money kit guide. So kung para saan yung lahat ng mga nandito sa loob, dito natin malalaman. Okay, so dito po sa ating money kit manual. So ilagay po natin siya dito, ating manual. Then we have yung budgetarian natin, envelope system. What else? Meron po tayong debt repayment plan. Ito po yung laman niya. And I think they are, no, marami po sila. There are about 5 debt repayment worksheet. Lagay po natin doon. Next, we have the divide needs versus wants. So 5 din po sila. And sa likod, ayan, financial obligations. Okay, yan po. Ano pa pong meron? We have the green envelopes, which are for the Chink Positive savings envelope. So ayan, tatlo sila. Next, we have red envelopes na po. And ito naman ay for investment envelope. Okay, so same. And meron pa tayong yellow envelope, which is for positive buying envelope. Ito yung halimbawa gusto mong bumili ng gadget or meron kang gustong bilhin pero wala ka pang pambili sa ngayon. This positive buying envelope will help you how to save for that gadget or anything that you want. So dito mo sila isi-save. Although meron din naman tayong guide doon on how to use these envelopes. Ano pa pong meron? Okay, let's do itong mga paper expenditure envelope. Ayan, not sure kung monthly to, pero kung mapapansin, envelope nga siya. Ayan. And medyo marami sila. 6, ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Meron pang 8. Meron 8, 9, 10, 11. I think 12 ito. Yep. Meron tayong expenditure envelope na 12. So good for 1 year. Tapos may natira pa tayong ito, savings envelope. So yung mga colored envelope natin, tiga-4 sila. We have the savings envelope. Then yung yellow is the positive buying, and the red is for the investment envelope. Meron pa po ba naman? Ito, yun. Yung last is the CD, the do-it-yourself money management system. I think software ito. So yung manual nandito na sa ating MoneyKit manual. Meron tayong management system, money management system, which contains yung mga nilalagay niya sa seminar. So all in all, this Ipon Kit or MoneyKit 2.0 is actually a good investment, considering na how much is this one, 3,499, but you can get all of this stuff. So I suggest and I highly recommend na get your own copy of this kasi sulit po siya. The books alone, if you go to National Bookstore or any bookstore, it will cost you at least 3K siguro. So parang itong MoneyKit is free na lang plus the Ipon Kit. So dito po nag-end yung ating review for today for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy it, and let's review this next time if we have time. Alright, thank you guys for watching and hope you like it.